Good morning, 10th Standard English Medium, GT Shik Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome in video lecture series. Okay, guys, today we learn Sanskrit lesson number 9, Chakshuman Andha Iva. So, it is a cross lesson, means blind in spite of having eyes. So, now lesson number 9, Chakshuman Andha Iva. So it's a very important cross lesson in our textbook, written by Banbhat. Banbhat, it is very great writer, poet in Sanskrit literature. He was born in the first half of 7th century, and he write a very important, very inspiring two books, Harsharitam and Kadambari. Kadambari is too good book in Sanskrit literature, and as well as Harshcharit also. So now Banbhat is famous from this two very valuable book in Sanskrit literature, Harshcharit and Kadambari. So now this lesson coming from the Harshcharit, first Uchvas. Uchvas means the section about the book. So this lesson is from the first Uchvas. And Banbhat is described what is the negativity, what is the negativity of, what is the limitation of anger. So now there is a very dramatic things seen create in this lesson number 9. Brahma is preached to his son Durvasa. When Durvasa is laughing on Saraswati, so Brahma is give them Brahma is preaching to Durvasa, and Brahma is giving a message to Durvasa, the anger and the growth, angriness. It's very bad for the personality, very bad for the person, very bad for the as well as itself or as well as for the society. And anger is like that કે આંખો હોવા છતાં માણસ ક્રોધથી આંધળા થાય છે. સો this type of message is described in this lesson. Banbhat is written very nicely, this lesson. It is prose type of lesson. First of all, you read the introduction paragraph, then after read the glossary, and then read the very carefully lesson number 9. And then after you prepare lesson number 9's question answer. Okay, guys, in this lecture we start lesson number 9, Chakshuman Andha Iva. Atham tam तथा शब्दां सरस्वतीं दृष्ट्वा पितामहो मंगलपटेन स्वरेण आशायाः पूरयन् सुधीरं दुर्वासम् उवाच. So now Brahma is preaching to Durvasa. ब्रह्मन् न खलु साधु सेवितव्यो पंथा येनासि प्रवृत्तः निहत्येष परस्तात्. This lesson is tough for the translation, so I give the translation pic in the group, and then after you read the translation, and then after you read the lesson, and then prepare your in your notebook the translation things. इंद्रियाश्च इंद्रियाश्च समुपस्थितां हि रजः कलुषयति दृष्टिम् अनक्षजिताम्. इंद्रियाश्च अश्वत्थ means the horse, and indriya, the senses is like a horse, and when the senses like horse is blind when we are anger, and this type of raj means this type of dust is covered over eyes, means covered over intelligence. What type of intelligence? What good, what bad? This type of intelligence is totally blind with the anger. कियत दूरं वा चक्षुरी क्षते. With having eyes we can't, with having eyes, but with the anger we can't see anything about that, means we can't judge what is the good, what is the bad, and we destroy our vivek buddhi, we destroy our things which one declare what is the good and what is the bad. विशुद्धया हि धिया पश्यन्ति कृतबुद्धय सर्वान् अर्थान् असतः सतो वा. Vishuddhaya means pure and clear intelligence are take decision what is the good and what is the bad, what is the truth and what is the untruth. निसर्ग विरोधी न चेयेय पयः पावकयोः पावकयोरिवः धर्म क्रोध ये अत्र वृत्तिः. Means anger is a nisarg virodhi vritti. It is against to nature, against society of human, against all kind of the living beings. So we must be avoid the over angerness from our life. आलोकमपाय कथम तमसि निमज्जन्ति. We can't see with anger what is the right and what is the bad. So it is the tamas. Tamas means darkness, andhakar. And nimajjati, not destroy that darkness when we see with the anger. Kshama hi moolam sarva tapasam. Forgiveness, it's the best things of all kind of things are. Forgiveness. The other sentence is like that, Kshama veerasya bhushanam. परदोष दर्शन दक्षा दृष्टिरिव कुपिता बुद्धि न ते आत्मदोषम पश्यति. When we find every time the limitation from the other person, we can't see our limitations. So paradosh darshana daksha drishti means which is this type of eyesight, like we must be find out the all time of the other person's limitations, other person's means other person's the things which one very bad. So this is the not good things for our character as well as our nature. We must and this type of kalushit buddhi, with anger, this type of intelligence with the anger, it is always find out the limitation and always find out the sorry, I have no words proper about that, but mistakes, always find out the other person's mistakes. Kva mahatapa bhara veditva kava puro bhagitvam means they can't decided what is the big thing and what is the holiness and what is the tap and what is the good things. Why? Because our eyesight is very much disturbing from the anger. Atiroshanam chakshuman andha iva janah. So now this is our title, Atiroshanah. Over angerness is like a blind in spite of having eyes. नहि कोप कलुषिता विमृशति मति कर्तव्यम अकर्तव्यम वा. कोप कलुषिता means with anger. Kalushit means it is a bad thing about the thinking style. When the person is anger, they can't decided what is the good things, what is the right thing, what is our own duty, what is others' duty. They can't decided about these all things. Kupitasya prathamam andhakari bhavati vidya tato bhrukutihi. First, this is the things about, this is the I think means this is the things about the who is the over anger person, like describe like the things. Kupitasya prathamam andhakari bhavati vidyaha. The anger person first of all destroy its knowledge, and then after tato brukuti, and then after looking like that, and his whole face like in on anger mood. So it is like that. Ado indriyani raga samaskandati charamam chakshu, and then after his body is on anger mode, and then after also as well as the anger produced in his eyes. So Durvasa is very much famous for his anger nature. And arambhe tapogalati, first of all anger destroy the valuable things from us, and then after paschad sweda salilam, and then after body produce the swed. The swed means there is the whole means uneasiness about all things from the produce from the body. and purvam ayasa spurati anantaram adarah. And then after disturbing the face, the all kind of eyes, brukuti, upper heads, and then after lips, and and then after say anything about in anger side, anger mood. कथम लोक विनाशायते विषपादस्यैव जटा कल्पलानि जानाति. The Durvasa is the sage, so he wearing a very big jatas on head, and thereafter disturbing this jatas. And anuchita khalu asya muniveshasya hare ishtisriva vrutamukta chittavritti. This is the harmful for every sage chitta vritti. It is means chit means mind, and the anger is disturb our mind, and when disturb our mind we can't decide what is the harmful and what is the beneficial. So there is the real incense chakshumana andhaiva. कथम लोक विनाशाय ओके अनुचिता खलु अस्य मुनिवेशस्य हारे यष्टस्यरिव वृतमुक्ता चित्तवृत्ति शैलुषैव वृथा वहसि कुत्रित्रम उपशमशून्येन चेतसा तापसकल्पम. Means Brahma said to Durvasa, you are the sage and you have a lot of things and a lot of goodwill about the tap and all this. So when you are anger, you destroy all good things from your character. And alpamapi nate pashyami kushala jatam. In short while, you can't see the what is the beneficial for you when you are reactive in anger sense, in anger mode. So now chakshuman andaiva means the anger is a blindness in our life. So we must be manage our anger. The best thing is like that we can't handle anger in our character, but when we feel like anger, we must be remember this lesson, and we must be remember that like the chakshumana antaiva. So now this is the anger is the mood about the it is really mood of like that, it is blindness. So it is avoidable things for our life. So now guys, chakshumana indava. Okay, in the examination criteria, this is the lesson about important about the translation criteria, as well as sometimes in chronological event, and sometimes it is in comprehension. You know very well there is the two type comprehension in our question paper, one from textbook and other from the out of textbook. So this lesson is very much important as a comprehension criteria as well as a translation. Okay guys, sometimes some examiner asking like that question, you must be write down the short note on the anger. So you can write down very nicely in English, anger is the harmful for us, and you must be note down a reference to contact about this lesson number 9. Okay guys, in next video lecture we are talking about the question answer and more details about lesson number 9. Okay, take care yourself, have a nice day, thank you.